Hello, this is Indiana from the Fairfield Woods Branch Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make this jack-o'-lantern pony bead keychain. So in your take and make kit that you will pick up at either library, you're going to find a bag of beads, orange, black, and green, some plastic thread, and a keychain piece. Yours might also have a jump ring attached. And then you'll also have this little instructional printout that shows you exactly what we're doing. So the first thing we're going to do is take our plastic thread and you're going to fold it in half and make sure that your ends are nice and lined up so you find the exact center. And in the center, we will find this loop since we folded it in half. With this loop, you're going to push it through your key ring or your jump ring, whatever you have, and through this loop that's now on the other side, we're going to pull all of our ends, just like this. And that's how we're going to attach our thread to our keychain. And now what I like to do is tape my keyring down to my surface so it doesn't move while I am attaching beads. So I'm just going to tape that down there. Okay, and then we're going to start adding beads. Our first are 3 green beads. Our first row is a singular green bead right here. So what we're going to do is take one string, put the bead through, and then with our other string, we're going to go through the opposite way, just like this. And you're just going to pull, pull, pull until it's all the way up by your keychain, just like that. See? So now our next step here, our next row is 2 green beads. So we're going to add our 2 green beads onto one string, and then with the other string, we're going to go through both those beads the opposite way, just like the first row. And we're going to pull those nice and tight until they're pushed up against that first green bead we attached. And you can straighten things out as you go, and I like to make sure that the thread on the sides is flat and not twisted. Okay, our next row, we're on the 3rd row here, we're going to do 5 orange beads. So you're going to string on 1 orange, 2 orange, 3, 4, and 5. And then just like before, we're going to take the other string and go the opposite way through all 5 of those beads and pull nice and tight. And see here, if you can see, it's a little twisted on the side, which is what I was just talking about. So you can kind of just manipulate the thread and twist it the right way so it lays flat. Just like so. All right, so moving on to the 4th row, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orange beads. And you're just going to string those on your 1 thread. Oops. Okay, 7. And then once again, we're just going to take our other thread and go through the opposite way through all 7 of those beads. And then we're going to pull nice and tight, just like so. And once again, you can straighten up your beads, make it as neat as you want, as tight as you want, as loose as you want. It's all up to you. All right, moving on. This row has the eyes, so we're going to do 2 orange beads, a black bead, 3 orange beads, a black bead, and 2 more orange beads. So we're going to string on 1, 2 orange, 1 black, 1, 2, 3 orange, 1 black, and then 1, 2 orange, just like that. And then we're going to string through all of those beads through the opposite way with our other string. Oops. It can get a little difficult when you have more beads on here, but you can kind of just move things around. You just want to be careful that your beads don't all fall off and cause a big mess. And you're going to pull that nice and tight, and now our jack-o'-lantern's starting to have some eyeballs. Okay, next row we have the nose, so we're going to do 4 orange beads, a black bead, and then 4 orange beads again. 1, 2, 3, oh, I hope you can see this. 4 orange, 1 black, 1, 2, 3, 4 orange. So we have 4 orange, 1 black, 4 orange. And like always, we're going to take our other string and we're going to go back through the opposite way. And then we're going to pull it nice and tight. So now our jack-o'-lantern has eyes and a nose. Moving on. This next row has 2 orange, a black, 3 orange, a black, and 2 orange. Okay, 2 orange, 1, 2, and then a black, and then 3 orange, 1, 2, 3, and then a black, and then 2 orange. 1, 2. So 2 orange, a black, 3 orange, a black, and then 2 orange again. And we're going to take our other thread and go through the opposite way through all of those beads. Just like so. We're going to pull our ends, make sure everything's straight and not all twisted. Pull it nice and tight. Okay, and that's the beginning of our jack-o'-lantern mouth. So the next one, we're gonna do 3 orange, 3 black, 3 orange again. So 1, 2, 3 orange, 1, 2, 3 black, and then 1, 2, 3 orange. Now you should have 9 beads on your one string, and we're going to take our other string and go the opposite way once again. Just like so. And then you're going to pull your ends, make sure everything's nice and neat. It's a very repetitive process here. Now you can see that our jack-o'-lantern has a cute little smiley face. And we're moving on to the second to last row, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 orange beads. So we're going to string on 7 orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, 5, 6, 7. And then once again, we're going to string back through all 7 of those beads the opposite way. Keep things nice and straight. Pull it tight. Okay, and now we're moving on to our final row, which is just 4 orange beads, which hopefully is all you have left. So we're going to string 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the last time, we're going to string back through those 4 the opposite way. Pull it nice and tight. Make sure everything looks how you want it to. Straighten things up. And if it looks good, then we can tie a couple knots at the bottom here. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's probably good, but I'm gonna do one more just in case. I'd hate for my beads to all fall off my keychain. Okay, and then you can, I forgot to bring my scissors in, but you can snip the ends off right here. And then you have a pony bead jack-o'-lantern keychain, perfect for Halloween.